Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the device ready. Connect your Superbox to reliable Wi-Fi and keep it plugged in. Next, enable apps from unknown sources in Settings so you can sideload an installer. This is required because the Play Store is not pre-installed. Then place the Play Store or Alternative Store APK on a USB drive or a cloud link you can open from the box. Once done, you'll be ready to retrieve and run the installer file. Don't skip enabling unknown sources. You now sideload the Store APK step by step. Open the built-in File Manager or a sideloading app, find the APK on your USB or cloud, and choose Install. Make sure you grant the installer permission to install unknown apps and storage access when prompted, because without those permissions, the process stops. If the store needs Google Play services, install the matching Play Services APK versions or a compatible implementation. This keeps apps functioning correctly. After you're at the finish line, launch the new Store app, sign into your account if required, and allow any updates to download so apps run smoothly. Make sure to set default app handlers and review permissions for storage, microphone, or location so apps can operate. If something fails, try clearing the app cache and data, uninstalling and reinstalling the APK, and re-enabling unknown sources. If installation errors persist, reboot the Superbox and retry the sideload. That resolves most transient issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.